dreams begin, the chess adventure will begin. Come with Timmy, say hooray! Let's have fun and learn to play. On the board where dreams begin, the chess adventure will begin.
Hello, friends! Today is a new day in the Chess Kingdom. Our topic today, castling. I already know what it is. Today the kings will show us how to do it.
Hello, little friends. I'm so happy to see you today. Castling is when I and my rook change places so I can be safe in my house. Let's invite my white rook, and together we will show you how to do castling. Watch closely, kids. This is short castling. 1, 2. I step 2 squares to the right. The rook hops over and stands next to me on the other side. It's one move. It's called castling. Look again, kids, like this. This is called short castling because I'm just 1 square from the side of the board. There is one more kind of castling, kids. It's called long castling. Let's show you how it works. I will invite my other rook. Look, kids. I go 2 squares to the left. 1, 2. The rook hops over and stands on the other side of me. This is long castling. Look again, kids, like this. I'm 2 squares from the side of the board. This is long castling. The way is longer, but my house is still strong.
I wonder how the Black King castles. Let's invite him here.
Where is the Black King? Let me phone him now. Hello, Black King. Where are you? We've been waiting for you. We want you to show us how you do castling. Oh, really? You went on vacation with the Black Queen? To the Maldives? Wow! Have a lovely holiday! Kids, the Black King asked me to tell you he's on vacation now. He castles just like the White King. Short castling and long castling.
Okay, let the Black King rest. I hope he comes back to our chess kingdom soon. I want to check the castling rules. I think there are 3 no castling rules. Rule 1. If the king is in check, he cannot castle. Is that right, White King?
Yes, that's right. If I am in check, no castling. First make the king safe, then we can castle later. Kids, I'll show an example. Black Bishop, could you help us, please? Come here.
There he is. Hello, Black Bishop.
Watch closely. If the bishop gives me check, I cannot castle. If I'm not in check, I can castle with my rook. Hooray! But only once. Another rule, friends. King moved before, no castling. Rook moved before, no castling. We can castle only if both the king and the rook have never moved. And the last rule. If someone stands between me and the rook, we cannot castle. The road must be clear. If nothing is in the middle, castle time. I hope you understand castling. Now it's your turn to try. Great job today, kids. Because you listened so well, I invite you to the Balloon Festival in the Chess Kingdom. It will be awesome!
On our board so bright and clear, we gather here with joy and cheer. horns, blow trumpets loud and sweet. A happy day is ours to meet.